Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about the 5 things that I love about the F800GS. So I've owned this bike for about 2 years now, so this is my slightly biased opinion about what I love about the bike. First off is the ergonomics of the bike. So it comes very good out of the box, and the good thing about that is you don't have to tinker around to buy several accessories and to see what you like and then figure out that it doesn't work. So it saves you a lot of time and money because if you buy new parts and you don't like it, and you have to sell your used ones like new items on Facebook Marketplace or Carousel, and that is all kinds of fun. Okay, next up is the fuel consumption for the bike. So the fuel consumption is very amazing for this bike. I average about 20 kilometers per liter, and it has a 24 liter fuel tank, so that adds up to about 480 kilometers. So if you're riding with all the guys with big boy bikes like the 1200GS or the Super Adventure T that has 30 liter fuel tanks, you can actually keep up with them, and you don't have to worry about fuel anxiety. You really don't have that at all with this bike. Next up is the bike is also pretty reasonable to maintain. I made a video about all the maintenance costs and what I've put into it, and for a class 2 bike, it's actually not that bad at all actually. Overall, I'm very impressed with the reliability of this bike, and now I can kind of see where the bulletproof, round the world sort of stereotype that the GS has, and it's not just the marketing BS that you are fed. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Point number 4 is talking about the luggage system. So it's exclusive to the Adventure model because they have this stainless steel rack, and I'm pretty sure for those in the adventure bike market, there are many pannier systems out there, and I'm liking the GS Adventure one the most with the aluminum panniers, because it's as you can see here, is metal. It's a metal on metal construction, so the pannier actually latches on to the actual frame, and it's not just plastic. So for some of the common luggage systems that you see out there, it's like it looks very plasticky. And for those of you who know, there's one with the base plate, and then there's a little like notch that you clip the box onto, and then when they go on the road, it bounces all over the place, and that's not what I want, especially for those guys who are running the big boxes like the 48 liters. Those really bounce a lot, so much, and in a bit of rough conditions on the roads in Thailand or even further up, that's not ideal. So I like this luggage system a lot. Okay, point number 5 is just the road presence that this bike has. I know it's not talked about very often, but big bikes like this have a lot of road presence. So drivers can see you a bit more, I believe, or I hope. Of course, I cannot avoid the blind people who don't use their indicators at all. Those are the worst kinds of people, right? And yeah, so with the panniers and everything, it actually takes up a significant width in the lane, I think, and in the rear view mirrors of a car. I mean, you are there, and that's what I like about riding a bike. It kind of makes me feel a bit safer. I doubt it really is though, because if the driver is really careless, there's nothing much you can do. But it makes me feel good, and I like the way I look on the bike as well, because I'm a pretty small dude, and it kind of gives me a bit of an ego boost when people compliment me, saying that I'm a small dude, but yet I still can manage a big bike like this. And yeah, it's just the way it makes me feel, and I like that point a lot about this bike. And there's always the common saying that if you park your bike and you don't look back and glance at it when you walk away, you bought the wrong bike, or car for that matter. And that about sums up the 5 things that I love about the F800GS. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you, ride safe.